If you have a business or want to increase your sales, then understanding the concept of a sales funnel is essential. It is a step-by-step process that converts potential customers into actual buyers. In today's video, we will explore the sales funnel concept, look at its different stages, and learn how to create a high-converting funnel. Let's get started. What is a sales funnel and why is it important? First of all, what exactly is a sales funnel? It is a marketing strategy that guides a visitor through a structured customer journey, eventually turning them into a paying customer. You may have noticed that people visit your website or social media page but leave without making a purchase. If you don't have a proper sales funnel, you could be losing a lot of potential sales. A well-structured funnel not only increases your sales but also optimizes your marketing efforts so you can achieve better results. Part 2. The stages of a sales funnel. Now let's talk about the 4 main stages of a sales funnel. 1. Awareness stage. This is the phase where customers first learn about your brand through Facebook ads, Instagram posts, YouTube videos, or SEO content. 2. Consideration stage. In this stage, the customer wants to know more about your product or service through customer reviews, testimonials, or free trials. 3. Decision stage. This is the stage where the customer decides to make a purchase but needs a final push, such as discount offers, limited time deals, or money-back guarantees. 4. Action stage. At this point, the customer completes the purchase and officially becomes a customer of your business. Part 3. How a well-designed funnel increases conversions. If you build a well-structured sales funnel, it increases your conversion rate, creates a smooth customer experience, and ensures your marketing budget is used effectively. Part 4. Crafting a compelling awareness stage. Everything starts with the awareness stage, because if people don't even know about your business, how will they buy your product or service? Here are some effective strategies to strengthen your awareness stage. Social media marketing. Share engaging content on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube. SEO optimization. Write quality blogs on your website and use keyword-based content to rank on Google. Influencer marketing. Collaborate with industry experts to increase your brand awareness. Paid advertising. Use Google ads, Facebook ads, and YouTube ads to reach a larger audience. If your awareness stage is strong, you can attract more potential customers into your funnel and achieve higher conversions. Today, we learned what a sales funnel is, its different stages, and how to build a strong awareness stage. In our next video, we will discuss how to optimize the consideration and decision stages to maximize your sales. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content.